Play.
You always have to do the right hand and then a foot to correct yourself. And the heart rate is on 46%. So that's in there.
She's got the hiccups again. She gets the hiccups every time she eats. Now she's falling asleep. Maybe we can sneak out of here.
But once they're under the phototherapy and they start doing bilirubins, they don't do TC Billies anymore because it doesn't give them a correct routine. Once they go under phototherapy. So. All right, I'll throw this away since I charted everything. Do you have stickers for them? Then we need to pull the sticker part. Right, I'll go.
What are you looking
If you
at?
get stickers, I'll do the blood.
What are you looking at?
Okay. Okay, I see. After she eats a lot, she get hiccups.
Yeah, you're not going to be happy camper.
Oh, 진짜 귀엽다. Oh, yeah.
Who's that? Hmm? She's looking back and forth. Hey.
Looking up.
Hiccups.
진짜 귀엽다. She's so cute. I don't know what that is.
Just a piece of skin, probably.
Oh.
Oh. Sleepy time.
So sometime this evening, we're going to move her into the NICU in here instead of being in here in the nursery, this part.
Isn't this NICU?
Well, it is, but not this room. This room is the well baby nursery. And we don't usually use it, but we had so many babies, because we have a 6-bed unit, that we had to put the overflow in here.
So where she's gonna go?
She's gonna go into her room?
Yeah, right here. You know when you come in and you come to this door, you're just going to keep going straight right here.
Oh, okay.
It's still part of this. It's just right here.
So how many babies there?
Well, she'll have her own private room.
Really?
All of our NICU beds are private.
Oh, that's good.
And there's a couch in there that you can sit on and stay. You can spend the night if you want.
Great.
Really?
Uh-huh. I'll show you.
Okay. That's great.
This is a little unconventional that we have babies in here
Yeah.
because we didn't, 6 beds at a time. We didn't think we'd fill up 6 beds so consistently.
So even I'm discharged, I can stay over there? Even I'm discharged, I can stay overnight there?
Yeah, it's kind of like a rooming in kind of a thing. You can't eat there. You cannot eat in the rooms. You can't bring anything but covered